Hello. Okay, so here's the deal. We're trying to find enough change so that we can buy a pizza that we already ordered for $26. Right now, we have about, with all this included, $23. Now, we need 26, right, Avery?
Yes, we gotta go find $26, so we're on an expedition to find $26. We need 3 more. Wait, that doesn't include tip. We need like 6 more.
That does include tip.
That's
how much it is.
Okay, well, that includes tip. Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
My battery's almost dead. I hope this lasts. So right now we're heading to the upstairs of my house. We've already checked the laundry room, some pants that we found lying around, but we've checked a bit of the kitchen. Did we check all these?
I think so.
Bella found something, I think. Bella? What'd you find? What'd you find? What did you find? What'd you find? Bella, show us. Show us where it is. Is that it? That's a penny. That's a penny. Oh. Oh my gosh, you found a nickel. Good doggy. Who's a good girl? Yes. All right. So we have a nickel to add to the shit list. Okay, you keep looking, Bella. Have we found anything?
Give it up.
Okay, I think we should try upstairs. Maybe my brother's computer room. We might be able to find something in there. Let's go. Let's see.